This is the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. This palette, like guys, stunning. Like these colors right here. Check that out. Gorgeous. Like absolutely goddess. Stunning. Alright guys, if you want to see more of my videos just like this one, don't forget and hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, let's get into it. Wow, these are stunning colors. Oh my gosh, like these ones right here, like Sun Deck, Chillin', Champagne on Ice, Island Hop. Oh my gosh, love these colors. Like this palette is amazing. Okay guys, let's talk fashion trends for upcoming for spring. As you guys know, I'm a fashion designer as well as a fashion stylist, so I know what I'm talking about. Basically going into spring, we've got teal, hence my necklace, gold, definitely gold, lots of plums, lots of pinks, lots of wine merlot colors, and definitely greens. A lot of greens going into spring, and florals. So this palette screams that to me. So if you guys want something that's definitely on point for the upcoming season, this one, hands down, just like that, perfect. I'm definitely going to go in with a lot of these teal colors to create this eye look today, because you know what? Today a girl is feeling it. Yes! Okay guys, I've actually gone in and primed my lids with this one right here, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Love this. This is my ride or die eye primer. Hands down. Can't live without it. Love it. Alright guys, let's go into these beautiful teal colors. I'm going to start off by going in with actually this one here called Sail Away. I'm excited for this. I'm just going to pick up some of that color on my brush. Tap that off. Alright guys, I'm just actually going to concentrate on my inner corner for a change. Oh, that color is stunning. Oh yeah. We are just going to place just a little bit down. That's perfect. We just want just that much. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with this shader brush right here. It's just a tiny shader brush, and this one is actually from the Zodiac collection from BH Cosmetics. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and just lightly soften those edges right there. Bring it all the way into my inner corner. Okay, so those of you that are following along with me, definitely go in and grab a small packer brush, just like this number 9 from BH Cosmetics. We are gonna go in with this one and use this Island Hop, which is this beautiful shimmery color right here. This I'm excited for. So I'm picking up some of that on my brush. I wanna see how this performs dry, and we might go in and foil. I'm going to add this color right here. Oh yes, that's everything. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, that is stunning. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna go in. I want to foil that because that's gorgeous. I'm just gonna take 2 or 3 pumps of this Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna spritz my brush, get it nice and damp. All right, we're going to take our brush and just put it into that Island Hop color. Oh, I'm excited for this. You guys excited for this? Alright. I'm just gonna place that down. Oh, that makes a world of difference. I mean, it was pretty dry, don't get me wrong. Like, that color was gorgeous, but I just want a little bit extra. Definitely reaching the top of our crease and bringing it down, just patting that on. Now when it comes to this transition line right here, just blend ever so slightly with the tip of your brush. just like that, because we're gonna go in and blend in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to go in with this pencil brush right here. This one's actually from Juvia's Place, and this one is just very, very soft and fluffy and pliable. It's amazing for blending. I'm actually gonna go in to this one right here called Infinity Pool. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of this. I'm gonna go into this one right here called Hidden Cove. And I'm just tapping that out. So we're blending the two shades together. We're just gonna go into our lash line here on our outer corner. I'm just going to bring that down. And I'm just going to bring that up into our crease just a little bit. Just want just a little bit of color there. I'm going to bring that up into that crease. We will smoke this out in a minute. That's cute. I love that. Let's go back into the same brush that we were using to blend out. And this one happens to be our number 4 brush from the Zodiac collection from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just actually going to blend out right here. Just softening that. And just softening a little bit right there. That's stunning. I love that. That is the look. Oh my gosh, loving that. Okay, I really want to go in with this one right here, which is Coastline Cruise. So for that one, because it is just a slight glitter, I'm actually thinking I'm just going to go in with just a little bit of glitter glue, and I'm just going to squeeze just a little bit on the back of my hand, tiniest amount, because we just need the tiniest bit. I'm going to grab just a little bit, just like that, on the back of this liner brow brush. It's just an angled, liner brush. Nothing crazy fancy. So right here, where I have this beautiful shimmer teal color, it's stunning, I love it. I'm actually going to just apply just a little bit to the center of my lid, near the lash line. I'm just kind of going up in this kind of moon shape right there. Yes. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna actually go in with this MAC 212 brush, and this one is going to pick up just a little bit of that shimmer glitter color, and this is almost like a wet formulation. This is really, really pretty. Love that. So I've got a little bit on my brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my lash line in the center of my eye. Loving that. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the Juvia's brush that we were using, and I'm actually going to pick up just a little bit of this. I'm just gonna actually pick up a little bit of this Do Not Disturb right here, which is like this gunmetal shimmer color. And I'm actually going to place just a little bit of that right here on my outer corner. Just because I want to deepen that area. So I'm actually going to go back in with my little blender brush. And I'm just blending that out, softening those edges and deepening up that outer crease. Love that. I wasn't actually going to go in for such a smoky look for this particular look, but I'm just feeling all these colors. I want to try them out. So yeah, another smoky eye, but that's okay. Because I haven't done a teal smoky eye on the channel yet. And I think that this is absolutely stunning. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go in. I'm going to repeat all these steps on the other eye, apply my mascara and my lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, to finish off this eye look, I've got my Scott Barnes highlighting palette here. So you can use any highlighter that you have in front of you. I just happen to have this one in front of me and I absolutely love it. So I've got all of these beautiful colors right here, and I'm actually gonna go in with this pink one right here. This one is actually called Pink Abu. So cute, love the name. And I'm actually gonna go in, I will tell you guys, I'm actually gonna go in with this brush right here, and this is just a very, very soft, supple, pointy pencil brush. And this one is a Morphe, why not, right? We're using a Morphe palette. So this one is a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH48 brush. I'm going to pick up some of this beautiful pink highlighter, which I absolutely love. I'm actually just gonna go into my inner corner right here. I just wanna brighten up that inner corner just a little bit. I'm just gonna give it just a little pop of highlight right there, like that. Oh, that's stunning. I'm actually going to bring that just under my lower lash line just a little bit, just like that. So I'm just applying it right there on the inner corner, bringing it up just a little bit, mostly more towards my nose, and dragging it down on my lower lash line just a little bit for a little pop of highlight. I'm going to take whatever's left over on my brush. I'm just going under my brow bone just a smidge, and then again on this side. Again, there's not a lot left on my brush, but this product is stunning. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go in with this number 4 brush right here from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink highlighter, just a little bit, tap that on my brush, tap that off. I'm just going to apply just a little bit on my upper cheekbones. I'm going to apply a little bit on this side, just like that. Tiny bit on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the center of my nose. Cupid's bow. What do you guys think of this amazing eye look? Right? Stunning. This palette is hands down amazing. It is affordable, it's cute, it's on target for the season. It has all the colors that are trending right now. Definitely, hands down, I'm impressed. All right guys, for the score. Okay, for fallout, absolutely 0. I had no fallout whatsoever, not even a speck. So, you know what? 10 out of 10. It went on effortlessly, smoothly, like these colors, right? So beautiful. 10 out of 10. For pigmentation, you've got all these colors to play with. Like, this is amazing. I had no problem with it whatsoever. Like, they are so vibrant and bright. 10 out of 10. Value. Okay, you guys get 35 shades in this palette, and the color range is amazing. You have so many creative looks and opportunities with this palette. It's $32 Canadian. It is 35 shades. Break that down, it's basically nothing per shade. It's amazing. Like, I've given 10 out of 10 across the board, and for value, this Morphe palette right here, 10 out of 10. Giving it a perfect score of 40 out of 40. Would I recommend this palette to you? Of course. Like, this is amazing. I love this palette. It has all the colors that you need for the upcoming season. It is stunning, phenomenal. The pigmentation, no fallout. Like, it's just hands down gorgeous, and the price point. Yes, girl. I would go out, run out and get this. This is not sponsored. I just absolutely love it, and I thought I'd let you guys know. So definitely, if you love videos like this one, remember to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I love writing back to you guys. So definitely write to me. Let me know what you guys want to see next. There are so many launches coming out. I'm on it. Girl, I'm on it. Alright guys, if you love this eyeshadow look, remember to hit that like button. Okay guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!